Hey guys, Sonny the Badger here. Welcome to my channel. So today is Friday Free Ride. Every Friday I take you on a ride with me and we talk about motorcycle stuff. So on today's episode, I want to talk about stopping for a broken down motorcycle, or someone stopped alongside the road that isn't necessarily broke down. I went to Daytona last week. I saw a lot of this and I thought we should talk about it. So be sure to leave your opinion down in the comments, because I'd love to hear what you think about what we're going to talk about. And guys, remember, if you like motorcycle videos, rally videos, stuff like that, then be sure you hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Leave us your comments. We answer them all. Be sure to ring that bell icon so you can be notified every time we upload a new video. And let's hop on the bike. Take a ride.
Alright guys, what a beautiful day for a ride. I'm out on Old Red today. Old Red hasn't been fired up for a couple weeks or ridden, so I thought I would take her today. And as I said in the intro, I want to talk about stopping and helping a fellow biker out. Do you stop? Do you not? But I have a few twists to that. So let's get started. Alright guys, so as I said earlier, Mama Badger and myself, we went to Daytona this last week. And there, of course, are bikes everywhere. And there are bikes pulled off alongside the road everywhere. And 99% of them have stopped to get a drink, smoke a cigarette, talk on their cell phone. But the funny thing is, even when I'm riding normally, I see a lot of bikes that are pulled over alongside the road that aren't broke down at all. They've literally just stopped, like I said, to talk on the phone, get a drink, whatever that may be. So, I've always heard that if you take your helmet off and set it behind the bike on the pavement, that means that is a universal sign of a biker needs help. But I've also talked to a lot of bikers that have no idea that that's even a thing. So, I just wonder, if there isn't, why isn't there, or if one should be created, but a universal sign of distress that all bikers know, so that us bikers that would like to stop and help a biker out aren't wasting a bunch of our time. Now mind you, I am all about stopping and helping a fellow biker out, but also 99% of the time I'm riding my motorcycle, I'm headed to an appointment, or I got some kind of plan, or I'm meeting somebody. I'm not generally out just for a joyride. So, if I see you stopped along the other side of the road, by the time I go down, turn around, come back and check on you, just to find out that you stopped to talk on your cell phone, that kind of sucks for me. Not to mention, when I pull up, everybody looks at me like I got three heads. Like, what are you doing stopping? I thought that was what we did. We saw a bike parked alongside the road. They may need help. We stop and offer help. So, with technology today, pretty much everybody's carrying a cell phone, right? So, if I come along 20 minutes later, they probably already made a call and have somebody coming to help. The other thing to that is, and I literally saw this last week, I'm cruising down a 6-lane highway. I'm in the middle lane going one way, and there's a bike all the way across on the other side sitting alongside the road. So, in order for me to help this guy, I got to go to the next exit, turn around. That could be 3, 4, 5 miles. Turn around, come back just to find out that he stopped to get a drink. So I really want to know what you guys think. What do you do in those cases? Do you just keep on running because he's on the other side of the road? Do you turn around and stop? What if you're headed to an appointment? Do you stop and help the biker? Or do you just keep on trucking because you told somebody you'd be there at 10 a.m.? And then what do you think of a universal sign, like a flag or something you can hang on the handlebars that is meant to tell other bikers that you're broke down and need help? Because if I saw something like that, I would definitely stop and help. Anyway, guys, just my 2 cents for the day. I saw a lot of that in Daytona, and I was like, what's everybody else do? So let me know in the comments below. Share your experiences, your stories. And remember, guys, it's not about the destination. It's all about the ride.